Here we go. Starting off on the Crawford Path. Let's see. We are obviously in top physical condition because I can't breathe and I already had to walk up that snowbank, so that was brutal. Many have died from exposure. All right then, we should be good.
We'll be good.
Sky looks like it could get sunny. We couldn't park in the parking lot because they didn't plow the road. We have 2.6 miles to Mizpah Springs. This is, obviously, as we can see, the oldest continually used mountain trail in America. How nice. Pause briefly so you can read that. All right, we're good. It's a beautiful day. Do you mind being on the internet? Okay. This is Wilson. His first winter backpacking trip. We'll try not to torture him too much. Mostly, I'll be torturing myself. I don't.
Easy on me.
Yeah. So take it easy on the old guy, but he's 17 years younger than me, so that would be me. Cause take it easy on the old guy. All right. Hopefully the sun will come up. I saw it earlier. And we'll have a nice, beautiful, sunny day. We shall see. All right. We'll see you later. All right, we're at the trail that leads to the parking lot that is closed because they didn't plow the road. Mizpah Springs hut is closed. No shelter available. Luckily, we brought our own shelter. It's 1.5 to the cover. We've covered 2/10 of a mile so far. We're almost there. Yeah. 2 miles so far. 15 miles to the cutoff. Just get rid of that decimal point. You're all set. So, we'll be good. Now, we've been roughing it with just our boots. We're going to put on the micro spikes so we don't get passed up by these old guys coming up behind us. Although they're not really that old, but Alright, and then we'll continue on. The trail's going up, it's easier with the spikes. We'll see you when we see you. I took a trip down the side trail to the parking lot to put on our micro spikes. That'll come out here on the monorail on this bridge. Because it's pretty cool looking. All frozen up like that. Downstream, very nice. Ooh, pretty. Swimming hole, in case we're hot when we come back. Oh yeah, that cracking noise, I hope it isn't the bridge.
What?
Is there a nice cracking noise from the ice?
No.
And yeah, well, that's cool looking. Up there. So I'm thinking if you're really warm coming back down, you can take a little dip in the swimming hole, cool off.
Cool you off quick.
Yeah, that'll be nice.
Especially we're coming off the ice.
Yeah. Very pretty, very pretty. I didn't get a good view up here. And there's a view up. A little stream. A lot of ice. Very cool looking. I know we go by Gibbs Falls on the way up, so we'll take a little detour and look at that. And there's Wilson trying to figure out how to put on his micro spikes. I know the new guys. Always entertaining. Here we are, continuing the trudge upward. We're noticing the beautiful sunshine shining on the side of the hill we're not on. And that could be good because we are kind of warm. So if we're in the sun, we could be just down to long underwear and bare feet. But almost. We're getting close. So yeah, we'll continue on. I don't know how far away the trail junction is, but it can't be that far. We'll stop and have a little snack. See if we can find some birds. The birds hang off the trail junction, you can feed them.
Oh, that's awesome.
We'll see if they're there. Yeah, so beautiful day. Hopefully.
Couldn't be better.
Yeah, hopefully we'll have some sunshine when we get up on top of Pierce. That'd be nice. But coming in, the cloud cover was over Washington, but not on the southern Prezi, so that should be good. We shall continue on. You dropped your hat. Other side. All right. And we're having fun. Really, we are having fun. Okay. After going uphill all the way, I'm getting really tired because I'm old and fat and out of shape. We have reached the trail junction. where it is 7 tenths to the campsite. It would appear most people are out here for a day hike. Well traveled. I see untrammeled snow. Well, that's interesting. Oh, that'll be fun. Anyway, stopping to take a little break here. Taking my pack off. Trying to dry my sweaty self out. And we did see the sun peeking through. But it's nice. So it's 1.5 miles from the sign, 1.7 from the road. According to the sign down there, 1.7 from the road to here.
Yep.
Right.
There's another 0.7 from here to the
Right.
campsite.
Which makes it 2.4, and yet from the road it said 2.6. The signs never add up.
Oh, actually, in the map that I looked at, on the map, it says 1.9 from the parking lot to here.
It was inside the parking lot.
That makes sense, because,
yeah.
0.6.
The signs never add up, though. It's weird how that happens. But all right, I'm taking my pack off. I'm a little sweaty.
Some snack.
Have a little snack. If only I'd brought the bobsled, we'd get back down in about 10 minutes. But no, we'll be walking down tomorrow. So, all right. Again, it looks like it's pretty nice out. We'll see if some gray jays come by for a visit. I don't see any now, but you never know. They just show up. Okay, here at the trail junction, as we know, is a favorite place for those. There's a big fat bird boy go. Where'd he go? He's around here somewhere.
Just right there.
I know he is. He'll be back. Oh, there he is. There you go. The gray jay up there. There we go. You ready? There you go, buddy. You're not fat enough. Oh. Oh, there's 2 of you now. There you go. You good? Oh, look at that. All right. And that's what we do. We feed the wildlife. We ignore the signs that say don't feed the wildlife. There aren't any. You're so cute. You're such a cute bird. So I have an interesting story. I came up here with my daughter and my friend and his daughter, and you're right here. I was feeding the birds, and she didn't want to do it because they're not small. They fly at you pretty good, so she was a little nervous about that. Nice. All right, I'll continue the story off camera so she's not embarrassed. Okay, we're just 5 minutes up from the trail junction, cruising along in this nice well-packed trail, when it suddenly just disappears. So we are going to have to break out the snowshoes and break trail. That is not fun. And hopefully find our way to where we want to be. Because out here in the woods, it all looks the same. But at least we can always follow our tracks back.
Yeah.
So. And Wilson said, in a pinch, we'll dig a little snow cave and we'll snuggle for the night and stay nice and warm. So we'll be good. I miss snuggling with Norm, but he couldn't make it today. So, all right, we'll stick the snowshoes on and see how that works out. Exciting. Okay, we have reached our campsite. We're probably not on a tent platform because we can't seem to find them, being under all the snow. We get the stylish Eureka Midori Solo. Very nice. I like that. And we got the Black Diamond. We did get matching colored tents because we're like that. We're on a spot in the woods. We should be pretty sheltered from any kind of winds and stuff. It's very calm right now, so yeah, it's nice. And I hear other people. I see other people through the trees over there. So we'll have company, I guess. The only hard part now is going to be finding our way to the trail, to the summit. So we'll see how that works out. And, okay, enjoying the view, a little overcast. Hopefully the sun will pop out and we'll be good. Excellent. Here we are, lost in the woods, unable to find the trail because it is winter and they're hard to find. It's starting to snow, which is fun. And yeah, we can't find the trail. because it's under 10 feet of snow. And there's a bunch of blowdowns. We have the GPS, but that's not working right. We're going to keep on searching. Every now and then the sun pokes out. Makes it kind of nice. Oops, temperature's okay. Well, we'll see if we can actually find our way. We'll be back. Alright, enjoying the view from a hillside. That is not the trail. Yeah, can't find the trail. I think it's somewhere in a mess of blowdown. We should be pretty much on top of it, according to the GPS. But we are. Can't find it. So I'll just stop here and enjoy the view we have, which is kind of nice. And then look around some more to see what we can find as it continues to snow a little. Well, we'll keep you posted. Okay, we've come back to the hut from our attempt on Mount Pierce, which failed. I blame myself, but mostly I blame Wilson. I will. Well, don't worry, I will. I'm telling the story, you're the one to blame. Yeah, hard to find the trail. We did find it, but lost it and stuff, and it's just way steep and snowy and my foot hurts, so I'm coming back. But this is the hut pretty much buried in snow. Kind of cool. Now I'll head back to the campsite. Chill out, have some tea, relax, and enjoy our evening. Trying to think if that's the actual door to the hut right there, the green. Yeah. So yeah, a lot of snow. It is winter after all. Clouds coming by, flurries now and again. Every once in a while the sun peeks out and it seems practically tropical when that happens. It's okay. Heading back into the woods, and I need two hands. And we'll see you later on. Oh, wait, I got it. Alright, we're hanging at camp. Snow is coming down, just a little, flurries now and again. We have some prosciutto mozzarella basil roll with crackers for supper, with some tea. Wilson's cooking some junk over there. The temperature here is somewhere floating around the 0 mark here at whatever 3:30 in the afternoon during the warmest part of the day. It's 0, so that bodes well for the evening. It'll be nice and toasty. And enjoying the view. Got the setup. Nice. We are living large, except the fire would not start. He's all set. Full cup of hot water. He's got some coffee. Life is good. A little sit pad. Got to get me one of those. Just so you can throw it anywhere and sit down, which is nice. You can throw those little sit pads down anywhere. Oh yeah. And it's nice. And it's lighter than a chair. So on days like today, it's good. All right. So yeah, we're gonna hang out for a little while, eat some food, drink some hot beverage, go to bed. You know, at like 5. And get a good night's sleep, hopefully. Okay, we are packed up, ready to go with a quick 2.5 back to the car. It was a beautiful, starry night until about 2 hours before we had to get up, and the clouds came in, the wind came in, and now it's an awesome morning. It's a tropical 10 below 0. But yeah, it was our campsite. We were pretty good. You were pretty sheltered from the wind, right? Yes. Yeah. It's nice. I don't know if it actually snowed a little or just blowing snow, but I'm really, once we get out of this wind and start moving, we will be all kinds of cozy. Well, we'll see you on the way down. Okay, right into the woods, leaving the snow-covered Zealand hut. And we have a nice view. We're under some clouds and it's windy, but a beautiful view of the mountains in the distance. I see a little sunlight down there. That will not be us, I'm sure. But you never know, this stuff could blow out. It's pretty low. But yeah, we'll enjoy a nice windy, snowy walk back to the car. We're going to have some fun. Yes. All right, let's do it. Okay. Enjoying a nice walk around the wind now. It's much warmer. Well, same temperature, but it doesn't feel as cold. Looking through this beautiful section of snow-covered trees. Nice day. Had a, so night's sleep. I had to get up like 4 times during the night to pee, which is odd for me, but so it was sad. But all in all, can't complain. I was warm, even though it was well down below zero. And just out here enjoying the beautiful scenery. That's nice. Yeah, we couldn't find the trail. Well, we did eventually find the trail up to the top, but yesterday I was suffering from some serious foot pain, so we bailed. Sad but true. Another almost summit I can put on my list, which is always good. Yeah, so I don't think we have any real uphills. We may go down a little here and pop up to another little flat spot, but then pretty easy going. We'll see you back at the junction when we feed those birds. I'm going to take off my snowshoes and put on my micro spikes, because the snowshoes tend to hurt my foot. So, but yeah, not too bad. Still having a good time. Okay, just continuing down the trail, we come to these signs that tell you you're leaving the forest protection area within a quarter mile of the hut, but they put those signs at eye level, 5 or 6 feet off the ground, which kind of shows you how much snow there is. So yeah, it's good having snowshoes, otherwise we'd be up to our necks in snow. Yeah, I'm enjoying the scenery of the snow-covered trees. It's beautiful, yeah. Alright, we are off. Alright, back at the trail junction. A quick 7/10 of a mile, always easy going downhill. We're heading this way, where it looks like it drops off the edge of the world. Up there in the tree, we have our friend who's looking for some more food, but he ate enough yesterday, he should be all set. Took off the snowshoes, put on the micro spikes, a little easier walking. That's it. And over there, there's blue sky and sunshine. But we won't see that till we get back to the car. Oh, yeah. We'll be in the shade and the cold and the wind. Could be worse. If you're sitting in an office working. That would suck. Yeah, yep, keep him warm. He's got that built-in down coat. Very nice. Yeah. Alrighty, well, we'll see you on down the trail. Okay, we're heading down Crawford Path. Just notice this would appear to be where somebody went through the snow. I don't know if you can tell how deep that is on this video, but oh yeah, that bit's as deep as my trekking pole. Oh, and it's not quite at the bottom. So yeah, it's a good 4 feet. Nice. Well, I hate to be the guy whose foot was in there, because getting out is never easy. Alright, we arrived at Gibbs Falls. We didn't stop in here yesterday on the way up. We're saving it for the way down. We'll go see what we can see. Some thoughtful people had packed us a trail that wasn't here yesterday. Hopefully, I won't post hole. Oh, completely ice covered. Very nice. Of course, we would expect that. Be in the middle of the winter and all. Oh, check it out. I'm up there. A lot of water going behind the ice. Some going over. You can see through the trees maybe some water coming out behind the ice there. Nice swimming hole. You know, not today. So that's very pretty. Very nice. Alright. Well, this means we should be fairly close to the road. So I'm thinking maybe 15-20 minutes, but we'll find out. And hey, we'll see you back at the Crawford Trail Big Giant sign for the big finish. Okay, I can see the hostel in the road. We are back. Safe and sound, or as sound as we were when we started anyway. Hopefully the truck's there. So far I haven't had that problem. Back here, our Crawford Pass sign. Horseback, nice, that'll be cool. We are done.
Hopefully the truck is still there.
Yes, I always hope that at the end of every trip that the truck is still there. So far, so good. Yeah, not bad. 2.6, didn't make the summit, but I couldn't do it with my footy thing and blah, 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 whine, moan, moan. And we'll go see. We are obviously in top physical condition, well clothed, and carrying extra stuff. All right. So Wilson, how was your first overnight backpacking trip in the winter?
Interesting. I had a lot of fun.
Excellent.
It was really cold this morning.
It was freezing.
But it was fun.
It was fun. Proper gear. It's all about proper gear.
Definitely come again.
Oh, that's good to hear. Because if I'm going to torture myself,
I've learned a lot doing this trip, you know.
If I'm going to torture myself doing it, I may as well torture other people as well. So, all right, now we're back safe and sound as long as we can cross the road. Okay, another successful trip.